Hello friends, I hope you're all well. Today I will be discussing a website which will provide you 32 plus free courses and a free certification. Yes, free certification. These courses are available by HP. HP Learning has a platform where you would be able to complete these courses, and the best part about these courses are they do not have any examination. You're watching Wisdom Guru and I am Noor Ali. So friends, today I will discuss another website which gives us 32 courses. The website is HP. Once when you log into this particular website, you need to scroll down and over here you will see courses. There are 5 submodules: communication, startup, finance, marketing and operation. And all these sub options have courses related to them, like in communication, business email; in startup, success mindset, 3D printing; in finance, basic of finance, profit and loss; marketing and operation. So we will take up one particular course and see how to enroll in this particular course. The course which I will pick up is Effective Business Website, which comes under marketing. This particular course. Once when you click on it, you will be directed to this particular page where you need to sign in. You need to enroll yourself. You can enroll yourself using your Google ID, LinkedIn ID, Facebook ID. As I've already registered over here, what I need to do is I need to click on enroll. Once I click on enroll, it brings me to the course module. It starts from the start of course. You click on Effective Business Website and it gives you information about the course, what is the course all about, and what skills you need to do. There's a story. Once you click on story slides, there's a slides which you need to let it pass through. You can click on next and just follow the course. The last step of this particular course is you need to give a survey feedback and click on the checkbox. Once you do that and once your task is completed, you will be provided a certificate which will be sent to you to your email address on the ones which you have registered. In this manner, you can complete all these courses free of cost and from a reputed website. If you have liked this particular course or this particular website, do share, like and subscribe. You're watching Wisdom Guru and I'm Noor Ali. Thank you.